Laser hair removal is a quite comfortable procedure. Initially, when lasers first came out for hair removal, they were much more painful. We now have several techniques that can help alleviate the pain. Both of the lasers that we utilize for hair removal have a cooling probe, and it cools down the skin. The laser snaps. It feels similar to maybe a quick bee sting or a mild poke, and then the pain is over. Everyone's pain tolerance is quite a bit different, so I would say kind of based off of your pain tolerance would help us determine exactly the amount of pain you'll feel with the laser, but the products that we utilize currently are very well tolerated, and our patients are easily able to get through sessions. So with laser hair removal, there's several different wavelengths of lasers that we can use that target hair. So our goal for laser hair removal is to target melanin or pigment in the root of the hair. There's some wavelengths that we've used that are better than others. What's really interesting is now we're utilizing technology where we're blending or utilizing multiple wavelengths at once. And what that's able to do is bypass the melanin in a patient's skin and really focus on the melanin in the patient's hair. We can treat all 6 skin types, even the darkest skin, able to utilize lasers that we weren't able to utilize previously. So for laser hair removal, there's a series of treatments. It's not a one and done. Depending on the body area, usually the treatments are either approximately every 4 to 6 weeks or every 6 to 8 weeks. The biggest, most important thing with laser hair removal is sun exposure. Sun exposure primarily before, but also after. So if someone has active sun exposure, they were just out of the country or they were actively sunbathing, they come in, they have very tan skin, they have burnt skin, they have maybe a blister or a scab, that would be contraindicated. We definitely would not want to treat those patients. They have a much higher increased risk of burning if they've had active sun exposure. One of the reasons you want to utilize a physician-owned and operated medical spa for laser hair removal, we really make sure that we have the correct laser for the correct patient. So some patients, again, with darker skin types, it's much easier to burn a patient like that. We have to make sure that we have appropriate settings, that we're using the correct laser. That's really burning with lasers is the most common side effect that we would expect.